Hi everyone, for any of you wanting to manage your blood sugar, I've got a few tips and a great tool after this to show you how to do it. So first of all, a few of the tips you may know: exercise. If you can really move around 10-15 minutes, that'll help a lot. Your diet's very important also, and specifically about your diet, here's a pretty cool: oil and vinegar. Now it needs to be the right kind of oil and vinegar. Regarding the oil, it needs to be extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed. As far as the wine as far as the vinegar, it needs to be either apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar. Hopefully 5 to 6% acidity on the red wine. And even on the oil and vinegar part, if you love that bread and you can't seem to stay away from it, do like they do at these Italian restaurants. Mix it together, a little oil and vinegar, or maybe even just oil. Have that bread around there, but it helps. And actually, the oil and vinegar can help your blood sugar as far as managing it for a day. It's pretty cool. So if you want to add a little garlic to it, that might even help a little bit more, or at least taste better. Well, it seems I've made a little mess, so I'm going to change shirts real quick, and then I'm going to give you that special tool. And I honestly highly recommend doing that, but I'll come back for more. You'll see it right about now. Okay, now it's time for that wonderful tool I was going to tell you about. And here's what's going on. You've got this thing. It's an A1C test kit. There's 4 test kits in this package. Now, the great thing is you do it with a finger stick. It's not a blood draw. It takes 5 minutes to get your results, and you're done. It's super simple. Do it at home. You can do it 4 different times, and here's why this is beautiful. First of all, I'm big on advocating for myself. Years ago, I got this thing where one of these A1Cs where it was like a pre-diabetic thing. Seen the writing on the wall, thought, oh no, I don't want to go there. But the only time you get to see this is by going to the doctor on your annual checkup. That's what's the beauty of this. So this way I can start doing what I need to do, whether it's the oil and vinegar, exercise, try different things out. I'm advocating for myself, and this little jewel helps me figure out what's working. Not only did that keep me in track and get it back down, but I also got off of another, I guess you'd call it diagnosis. So with this other diagnosis, it was basically high triglycerides. I think it was called hyperlipidemia. Anyway, I've been on a medication for that. I've been trying to get off of that. The problem with the medication, it's a Band-Aid. We all know that. It doesn't cure anything or fix anything. It just kind of manages it. It doesn't fix anything. So when you start advocating and doing these things, granted I had to lose some weight, I did all kinds of stuff, but not only did I stay away from any diabetes type issues, but I also got off the other medication. The labs are great now on that. Again, with this tool here, I really recommend it because of these things. 1 finger stick, 5 minutes, you can do it. You don't have to wait 3 months to do it. You can do it every month. You can kind of see what you're doing to make it work for you. I highly, highly, highly suggest you try to do this stuff. Anyway, hope that helped. See you next time.